Hey guys, How To here, and today I'm going to be showing you the full teardown of Moto G first generation. So, to start, we've got to power it off, which this is already done. Then, remove the 14 screws from around the edge of the phone, which allow us to take this back off. There we go. All the screws out. You can see through that. So now, using either your fingers, like so, or a pry tool, this one's more for screens, you can go round the edge and gently pull it out. Be very careful at this stage because the power and volume buttons like to fall out. Okay, so you can take them out. Okay, now we're here. To start with, got to take the battery out. You do this by removing this connector just here. There we go. Then, get your pry tool, pry out the battery. Then, you've got to remove this blue cover. And you'll be left with this. Now, there's a couple more connectors you need to remove. You have to remove this one, which I believe is the screen. Be careful when you're removing this one, because you'll also have to unstick the rest of this around here. There we go. You also will have to remove the front-facing camera. There we go. And that's it. So next, you need to pull or pry this board out of the rest of the phone. It's best if you use a tool for this, because it can get pretty fiddly. When doing this, you will hear some noises that sound like it's unsticking. Like that. That's okay. That's just the glue that holds the back board coming unstuck, or holds the screen. That's not good. That was a bit of the glue that got stuck in that metal thing. Okay, there you go. Now you have the screen. So, overall, you end up with a bunch of screws, the middle of the phone, the battery, and a camera. And the back, which has the headphone jack and stuff like that on it. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Goodbye.